welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making some dominoes, and I've got these domino molds. It comes in a set of 2 and I got them from AliExpress. So I'm just getting those ready and I'm going to mix up some resin and then we'll get started. So to start with, I think I mixed up about 200 ml of resin and it wasn't quite enough. You'll see that I end up mixing more. And these are the 2 colours that I'm going to be mixing up, just this blue and purple. And I'll be mixing it in these silicone cupcake dishes, just so that I don't have any wastage and I can clean them out. So I literally just sprinkle the glitter in and then I'll pour the resin in and mix that up. And I have to do this a few times because it obviously only holds so much. So I will mix these glitters up, give them a stir, mix up all the glitter into the resin, and then I will start pouring it into the mould. And what I do is I alternate between the blue and the purple, so then the resin mixes together, or the colours mix together. So I will stop talking and I will let you watch the pouring. So this is 24 hours, actually this was even 48 hours later. So I'm going to demold, and they come out nice and easily out of these molds, and you can just about see the indent of the dots in there, but it's so glittery you can just about see on camera because it just sparkles and the camera just can't focus on all that glitter. So I'm going to get all these out, and then we'll move on to the next step. So my aim was to use this silver acrylic paint and to paint that into the dots. So I was using this dotting tool, and I was just painting that into the dots using this tool. But after I tested it on a couple of coats, because it's so glittery you just couldn't see it. So you'll see that I'll come back, and I actually decided to use a gold foil paint instead, because I thought the gold just showed up a little bit better. So I went with that option in the end. It's basically the same principle. So how you see I'm doing the silver, I just did that but with gold instead. Going over the dots. And then once I did the gold, I did probably about 2 layers, obviously letting dry in between. And then I've also got an Posca pen. So there's the gold there. And after the gold, the second layer had dried, I went over with the gold pen as well, and I did an extra layer of dots with that as well. So that's the gold paint I used, and then here's the pen that I used to do the dots as well, just to try and give it the extra oomph in the gold. These are the finished results of the dominoes. Just hard to capture on camera because they're so sparkly and glittery. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found something from it helpful to help you make your dominoes. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and be sure to come back soon and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.